and Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, bringing you another episode of This Tool is Cool. And today I got something for machining, for anything that you're gonna measure with. Just not a tape measure. Coming up. So what I got here in this little case is a dial indicator. As you can see here, it's a different type of dial indicator. I have brung you a dial indicator before, but that was more of a vice grip magnetic, kind of almost like a line or a bore gauge. It was a different type of line. Micrometer. Okay, so this dial indicator, it is a Pittsburgh. It costs about $20 at Harbor Freight. Another Harbor Freight cheaper tool, but it gets the job done. Right here, you just press the on button. Go ahead and you go all the way down. It looks like my batteries are dead. You zero it out, and say I wanted to check the flange size of this turbo right here. I could use this side for the inside, just like this. Roll it out, find that inside, which is 4 inches. The batteries are dead. I'm not going to switch them right now. So you can do it that way. You can find the flange size from outside to outside using this right there. That is 4 inches. Actually, the inside is 3.5. I think it was 3.75. So, and say I wanted to make sure that this was actually a T4 turbo. I line this side up with this right here. Find the center of my bolts in every direction, and then I can go look at the schematic for a T4 turbo flange, and boom, I know it's a T4. This turbo right here, if you were wondering, is Air Research, which is made by Garrett, and it's going on my car soon, so it needs cleaned up a little bit. But for $20, you really can't beat it. I mean, it goes all the way up to 6 inches. You can do millimeters or inches with this button right here. On, off, on. Zero the gauge out whenever you start to use it. Right here is a lock. You can lock it down. So yet another cool tool, the micrometer. I use it a lot. You can find metal thicknesses, wire thicknesses, flange sizes, inlet and outlets for your turbos. Machining, you're going to use one of these a lot. Anytime you do any kind of metal fab, one of these dial indicators is a necessity. No way around it. So go ahead and pick you up one of these. Now I thank you for watching. I put up 2 videos every Sunday. One is some type of vlog, one is some type of how-to. The other is This Tool is Cool, which you're watching now. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, hey, I forgot. I was gonna do a roll control or a line lock this weekend. Instead, I went to the Outlaw Nationals. So that's what I'm gonna bring to you this weekend. Next weekend, I'll try to get the line lock. Yeah. Hope you all enjoy that though. Peace.